Hello makeup lover, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, I pulled out this guy here, the Sunset Romance from Pat McGrath Labs Holiday Collection 2023. This was the last of the 4 quints I got, but now I have the full quint collection at least. I would really like to know if you have this palette or some of the other quints. What do you think about it? And which palette is your favorite of the 4 quints? So, if you want to see how I did these two different looks, then keep watching and I will show you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I will make more videos for you, I promise. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? Starting out with a little bit of Glowing Desire as a highlighter here under my brow. And I'm using the flat definer brush. Maybe it's a little bit too yellow for me, but hey, that's what we got. Next shade I'm dipping into is a Sun-Kissed Rose. And I have that here on my Blender Pro. And I'm just kind of dabbing it on, pressing it on gently. And after I've done that, I'm gonna blend it out. I don't want this to be a super dark look. I just want it to be like a hint of color up here. Little suede sienna on my Builder Pro, and I'm going to put that here on the outer corner, and I'm just pressing it on more or less. And by the way, I didn't use any primer, it's just the Pat McGrath foundation in a very light layer that I have on here, so nothing crazy. Next color, Metallic Passion. Let's see if we can make it work with the brush. I think we can. It's some kind of a burnished color, but still it has a little bit of pink in it. Very beautiful, if I might say so. And why not continue with Mink Mirage on the inner part here. Just because I can. I'm using the tip of my Builder Pro with the Sun-Kissed Rose, and I'm going to put that here under my eye. Back with a little bit of mascara, and this is what it looks like. I would say it's a very nice day-friendly look that you can wear anytime, anywhere. I didn't put on any liners. I wanted to keep it soft and I don't know if I can say fluffy, but I wanted to keep this look a little softer. So no liner for me with this look. But I am, however, gonna show you what it looks like with some false lashes on. And here you see the first look with some false lashes on. I'm now gonna go on to the next eye. A little bit of Glowing Desire as a highlighter here with my mini booster. Sun-Kissed Rose in the crease here, and I'm just going back and forth with that and in circular motions. A little bit more of the same color and the same brush. Let's build this color up a little bit more so it doesn't look too much like the first look. Suede Sienna on my Builder Pro, and I'm gonna put that on my mobile lid here. And as you might have noticed, I put on some powder under my eye to catch the fallout, because I already have on foundation and didn't want to ruin that. I put on a little bit of the Artistry wand, intensifies, on my ring finger, and I'm gonna put that here in the middle. And of course I did that because I wanted the next color to pop. And I'm gonna use the shimmery burnished shade here on top. Mink Mirage on the top of my Builder Pro. I'm gonna use that under the eye as an eyeliner. Glowing Desire on my mini booster as a highlighter. Just gonna bring it into the other color here, just a little bit. I'm gonna give this eye look a brown eyeliner, the Black Coffee liquid eyeliner. It's just a dark brown color. Back with some mascara on, some black on the upper lashes and the Renegade Red on the lower lashes. It's also from this Holiday 2023 collection from Pat McGrath Labs. And on my waterline, I put on the Black Coffee eyeliner pencil. I'm now going to go off cam to put on some false lashes. Back with some false lashes, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna zoom you out so you can see what it looks like with a full face of makeup. And this is what it looks like. The full face of makeup with the two different looks using the Sunset Romance. I'm now gonna put my glasses on and tell you what else I am wearing. As a foundation, I am wearing the Light Medium 8 from Pat McGrath. And I used a little bit of Nude Honey to bronze up my face just a little bit. And I'm also using the blush Nymphat and Venus Nectar. I think the highlighter is called the one I'm using. I'm just gonna turn my head just a little bit here. Maybe the light will catch it so you can see it. On my lips, I am wearing Flesh 5 because I thought that that was a super nice color to be used to match the look. And on top of that, I am wearing the lip gloss Earth Angel to make it a little more juicy. This palette is not the most inspiring one when it comes to looks. You cannot do that many different looks. They will kind of look the same more or less, but it's a pretty palette for sure. It's the last one I got out of the collection, but I'm happy I got it. So if you got it and you have some of the other palettes, please let me know which one is your favorite actually. I would like to know. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It'll be awesome to have you join. Now, I want to wish you an amazing day and thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Mwah.